Hey, Patrick, here you are, man. Can I tell you something? I heard something this morning, and I'm still thinking about it. People are talking quietly, and the atmosphere feels strange today. What happened? You look serious. Did something bad happen at the office? Yes, I heard that they want to fire someone this month. It's not official yet, but many people are saying the same name. What? I can't believe that. Who are they talking about? Don't you know? Of course, they are talking about Mark. Mark? No way. I know he has problems, but fired? That sounds extreme. Well, I think he's a little stubborn, don't you think? A little stubborn? What do you mean? I don't understand. Come on, stubborn means he never wants to listen to other people. He always thinks he's right, even when everyone explains things to him. He does things his own way, and he doesn't accept advice. That attitude creates many problems at work. I know that. Oh, now I understand. Yes, I agree. He's stubborn, but he's also very confident. Confident is good sometimes, but Mark is overconfident. Overconfident means he believes he's better than others, and he doesn't check his mistakes. That makes the team uncomfortable. Well, that's true. And honestly, I think he's also impatient. Really? Impatient? What do you mean by that? He is impatient. He doesn't like waiting. He wants everything fast. He gets angry when things don't happen immediately. And he complains a lot during meetings. I've seen that. You're right. And that's not good in an office. We need calm and organized people. And speaking of organized, what do you think about Laura from accounting? Laura from accounting. She is very organized, the most organized person. She plans everything carefully. She writes notes. She follows schedules. And she never forgets deadlines. That's why her work is always clean and correct. Yes, I like working with her. She's also very responsible. Exactly. She is responsible because she takes her job seriously. If she makes mistake, she admits it and fixes it. She doesn't blame others. That's true. Yeah. Unlike Kevin from sales. Oh, yes, Kevin. That guy, oh my god, is very careless. Careless? You mean Kevin is careless? Why do you say that? Yes, he doesn't pay attention to details. He forgets emails, he sends wrong information, and sometimes he arrives late without caring. That's a problem. Oh, yes, you're right. But Kevin is very friendly. That's true. He's friendly because he's kind and easy to talk to. People like him because he smiles a lot and jokes with everyone. Yes, but sometimes I think being friendly saves him. Maybe, maybe you're right. But friendliness doesn't fix mistakes. Yeah. What about Anna, our manager? She's very strict. Strict. Um, I feel that too. But explain it. Strict means she follows rules closely. She doesn't allow excuses. And she expects everyone to do their job correctly and on time. Yes, that's true. But she's also fair. I agree. Fair means she treats everyone equally. She doesn't have favorites. And she makes decisions based on performance, not emotions. I respect that. But sometimes she's a bit cold. She is cold. It means she doesn't show many emotions. She doesn't smile much. And she doesn't talk about personal things. Exactly. She is professional, but distant. Speaking of distant, what do you think about our boss, Mr. Thompson? Well, I think he is very ambitious. He always wants more success, more money, and more growth for the company. He works a lot and pushes everyone to work harder. Yes, I know, but sometimes he's demanding. Yes, demanding means he expects a lot from employees. He wants perfect results and he doesn't accept average work. And sometimes he is intimidating. That's what I think. You know why? He makes people feel nervous or scared. When he enters the room, everyone becomes quiet. Yeah, I feel that too. Sometimes he can be very intimidating. Interesting conversation, gentlemen. I've heard everything. Good morning, Mr. Thompson. We didn't mean to be disrespectful. I hear everything. You describe everyone at the office very well. You describe Mark, Laura, Kevin, Anna, and yes, you also describe me. And disrespectful means showing no respect. And yes, you were disrespectful. I also hear you say people are careless, stubborn, cold, intimidating. Well, here's a new adjective for you. You are unemployed. It means you no longer work here. Both of you clean your desk and leave today. This is unbelievable, Patrick. I guess we talked too much. Exactly. Talkative is another adjective, and today it costs you your jobs. Well, now I understand the meaning of careful. Think before speaking.